Hello once again and welcome to Keyword Tech. Today I'm gonna show you how to transfer files from your PC to your iOS device like iPhone, iPad or any other iOS device. First of all, we need to install the software. The software we install, I provide them in the description. Then make sure you download them. Then you will go with me step by step. I will begin with the installation and then I will continue doing the core stuffs. Ready to go. First of all, we need to install the iTunes. We double click on it, then we install it. It can take a few moments according to the processing of your computer. And now the installation is beginning. Then we wait. Yes. Then press next, install, and then accept. There you go. Then to ask if you want to open iTunes after the install exists, then let's go ahead and uncheck this. Then click finish, and then we need to install the 3 tools. In this case, I'm using V2, but maybe there will be higher releases, and you will see it in the description. I will provide the link for the higher releases. Go ahead and close the iTunes. I'm not needing at this moment. Then we proceed with the installation of this tool. Then press install. And then you see that they have been successfully installed, and then we'll need to go ahead and launch it. After launching it, let's minimize this. You see that it is requiring us to connect the iDevice to PC using a USB cable. Let me go ahead and pray, and I'm going to plug my iPhone in. Then you will see how it is going. After plugging my iPhone on, to pop up like this one, then we are not needing this. Okay, you press OK and OK, and then you see the information of my iPhone. All the information are here, and then we are going to come on this tab. Then we see we can import photos, music, ringtone, make custom ringtones, videos, books, and all others. Let's say we want to import music. We press on this, and then we see where there is an import. Select file. It's requiring us to close the iTunes. No big deal. Go ahead and close, and then it will allow us to navigate where we saved our music. In this case, let me navigate here. I have some music in that folder, and you can pick one and you can import. After clicking, you will see that it is importing, and then you wait a very short moment for the music to be imported. Okay, then you press OK. Then you can make also a custom ringtones. You can import some song here, then you can choose the ringtone maker, then you choose your ringtone. And also you can import the photos using this one, and then you can also add apps. And by doing this tutorial, I'm not encouraging you to do some illegal stuff like manipulation of the phone or the iOS device, but I'm showing you how to make some things easier. You can use also iTunes to do this. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you watched it from the beginning to the end, then congratulations, and make sure you share with your friends. And if you're coming on this channel for the first time, remember to press subscribe and stay cool. Thanks.